Ugh.
It's called a tamahashahushaha.
He said, pray for 'em, get these bitches out the way for 'em. First lady go crave for 'em, so I loaded up the AK for 'em. Headed down with my head down, green Jeep with the loud sound. Steam fast with a mean brow, hope that they get what I see now.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Sadie here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be trying Japanese. I'm here with my mother
Portia.
and my stepdad.
T-Bone in the place that is. Now let me stop talking.
So none of these snacks are in English. So what snack do y'all want to try first? Appetizing.
Yeah, let's go with the fast food.
This how the packaging looks. It smells like soy sauce.
No intentions on trying that.
It's just like the noodles that showing. It's like it got like a cheese doodle texture.
It tastes like a barbecue cheese doodle.
Almost like a Jello
Okay.
shot. Green apple
okay?
Jello.
Green apple jello.
What's the name of it?
It don't have a name on it. It just got this sticker. I think I want to try these. No dog treat though.
What is this? Oh my god! What is that? Oh, with some jelly stuff.
This is how it looks. It feels real weird.
Oh, hold on. How you break a piece of?
It tastes like grape jello. Grape jelly. What?
It's starting to get to me. Is this breakfast?
Oh, marshmallow. A marshmallow with chocolate in it. It got chocolate in it. I don't like chocolate like that though, like milk chocolate or dark chocolate. I don't really like chocolate unless it got like nuts in it or something. So you can describe it. It got like little animals in it, like monkeys and bears and a grandma.
Ain't got no taste to it.
Almost everything tastes burnt, like burnt meat. Like I
want one to buy this. It don't taste like nothing. Chip bag. I picked these out. What that say? Tiari?
That's exactly what it is.
I hope this don't taste like no fish. It got like a sweet taste to it.
why all of them taste the same almost?
So you about to eat a cat on the bite.
It's like the
It tastes just like a cheese cheese
fried,
doodle.
the fried ones.
I can't think of the
That
flavor
blue
one.
bag. That blue bag.
And they look like them too. Like a fat version of them.
It's a sweet, cheesy taste that you don't want.
Yeah, that's what they look like. It don't taste good though. It tastes like tea. Like a tea cookie. I guess like it's like a soda thing.
It's sour.
It's not sour.
Okay.
Oh, no, it is
Top
sour.
on
It's type
get
sweet.
both.
It's not something I would go in the store and be like, I want this.
Isn't the texture of the oranges, the orange rings?
Peach rings.
Words.
It's gum.
So you're supposed to pick it up like this.
I don't like it.
Here you go. Here you go.
I don't like it. A turtle on it. Ooh! Ooh.
I ain't even smell it. I'm jumping, babe. Come
Smell
on.
it.
Come on. Oh my Jesus. I think I'll go to China and get skinny because I ain't nothing to eat over there.
Nothing to eat over there.
Ain't got no Family Dollar candy. Walmart candy. Okay. Is that supposed to be like a sweet popcorn? What is that?
Popcornish.
I don't like it.
I am nervous, child. I hope
Regular
that's the-
schmegular.
Hope that's the ingredient.
That's what it was.
They done sponged up. They done chocolate up the sponge.
Is it good?
I don't know. Go ahead and dip it in.
This don't taste like nothing. Oh wait, it got a little grape taste to it. This ain't nasty.
What is that? Like a dried up.
This look what it look like. Ugh.
It's called a tamahashahusha. about
You
that.
can't have that. That ain't even what I'm mad at.
It look like a dried up pume. That one.
You ain't do nothing to you.
Ooh. I just feel like I can feel it.
You got a broken tooth over there.
Oh my god. I think that's the best thing in the
Package.
that's the best thing in there.
Don't mess with that one.
Okay, hold on. Oh, this smells pretty good.
Scary.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, snap. The oregano one.
What was that? A tart. Oh! Oh my god. What is that? They sell
A
them?
lot of trash.
They sell them in the store? That should be banned.
It's gum.
Root beer. What?
That tastes like Pepsi. It's like, it tastes like. That's it for this video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll be doing a spring clothing haul. And starting next week, I'll be doing post notification shout out. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and send me a screenshot of proof. And I will shout you out in my next video. And remember, always stay beautiful, my loves. Peace.
Shorty like $1,000 plate, fine china. Tell her that she beautiful every day. I remind her.